EasyEquities has achieved another massive milestone in the South African investment industry. And although I'm actually driving to the Kruger National Park very early tomorrow morning for holiday, I just had to get this video out to share the awesome news with you guys. Charles Savage, the CEO of Purple Group, who basically owns EasyEquities, announced on Twitter yesterday that the EasyEquities platform will now offer both UK and European offshore investment accounts, which are immediately available for all EasyEquities account holders. This means that ordinary South African retail investors like you and me are now able to invest directly into the British and European markets. This is in addition to the South African, US and Australian markets that are already available. This is huge because this literally opens up a whole new world of opportunities for us as South Africans, which is both cheap and easily accessible. So in today's video, I will give you guys a quick overview of both the EasyEquities UK and European accounts, show you exactly how you can activate your accounts, how to buy and sell shares, how to fund your accounts, and I also touch on the fees that you can expect to pay. So if you want to expand your investment horizon, then make sure to log into your EasyEquities account and follow along. If you don't yet have an account, then simply click on the link down in the description to open one. You'll get a free 50 Rand cash voucher on me, and then go and watch my full EasyEquities tutorial and my EasyEquities review after this video. Alright then, let's get started. So once you have opened an EasyEquities account, you will see this account bar at the top of the platform interface. Simply click on the red arrow on the right until you see the activate a new account type block, and then click on it. This will give you a list of available accounts that you can open. So scroll down until you see the EasyEquities GBP and EasyEquities EUR accounts. Select the I hereby confirm checkbox and click on activate account on both accounts. You will now see a summary of all your EasyEquities activated accounts with the UK and European accounts listed over here. You will also notice that both accounts were added to the account bar, with the European account showing in orange and the UK account showing in purple. Congratulations! You can now invest in both the European and the UK markets. Easy, right? Alright, so let's see what each account offers. Starting with the EasyEquities UK account, you can see that account overview looks basically identical to the other EasyEquities accounts, with the only exception being that your funds are now displayed in British pounds. So far, you can only invest in shares listed on the London Stock Exchange, but the ETF products will soon follow, of which I am really excited about, but more on that in a later video. As with all the other accounts, you can filter the UK shares according to different categories, as well as use the search function to find a specific share. There are currently 28 UK-based shares available, including well-named brands like Anglo American, Barclays, BHP, BP, HSBC, Rolls-Royce and Shell. EasyEquities will most likely roll out more UK-based shares in the future, which will mostly be those included in the FTSE 100, aka the FTSE 100, which are basically the top 100 largest companies by market capitalization on the London Stock Exchange. Then the EasyEquities Euro account also looks similar to all of the other accounts, except that the currency is now in euro. There are currently 26 individual European-based shares available, including popular brands like Adidas, Bayer, BMW, Deutsche Bank, Mercedes-Benz, Siemens and Volkswagen. As with the UK account, there aren't any European-based ETFs available yet, but this is something that will be introduced in the near future. Funding both your EasyEquities UK and EasyEquities Euro accounts is really straightforward. The cheapest and most recommended method is to first make an EFT transfer from your local South African bank account to your EasyEquities ZAR account, and then make use of the EasyFX function. To access this, click on the menu icon on the top left, select Inter-Account Transfers and EasyFX, select EasyEquities ZAR on the From Account option, and then either EasyEquities Euro or EasyEquities GBP on the To Account option. If you select the EasyEquities Euro account, you will see your available funds in rands, the current euro to South African rand exchange rate that EasyEquities offer, and then when you enter the amount of rands that you want to convert to euro, EasyEquities will show you the fee, VAT, and the final amount that will eventually reach your EasyEquities Euro account. If you are happy with everything, you can just click on the I agree to the terms and conditions above checkbox and click on transfer now. I don't have enough rands in my EasyEquities ZAR account at the moment to make such a big transfer, hence the error, but I just wanted to show you guys exactly how this will work. The same principle will apply when using the EasyFX transfer function with the EasyEquities UK account. The British pound to South African rand ratio will be displayed up front, and when you enter the amount to be transferred in ZAR, then the fees, VAT, and final amount will also be shown up front. If you do not want to make use of the EasyFX function, for example, if you already have pounds or euros in an offshore account, then you can still fund both your EasyEquities UK and European accounts using a SWIFT payment if you have a bank account outside of the UK, or just a normal bank account transfer if you have a bank account inside the UK. Simply click on the menu icon, select Deposits under the My Funds tab, and then select the account that you want to transfer money to. So, for example, if you want to fund your EasyEquities European account, make sure it is selected at the account bar, and then you will see the bank account details to where you need to make a bank transfer. Obviously, make sure that you use the correct beneficiary reference, otherwise your deposits might be delayed. EasyEquities does not allow credit card deposits for either of these accounts at this stage. In order to withdraw funds from either your EasyEquities UK or EasyEquities European account, you first need to make sure that your local bank account is verified. So click on the profile icon on the top right, select My Profile, click on Bank Info, and then add your local bank account. Then if you see this green verified icon next to your bank account, click on Withdrawal under the My Funds section, and then you should be able to withdraw your money to your local bank account. Just note that it will be a lot cheaper, faster, and therefore more convenient to first convert your euros or British pounds back to rands using the EasyFX transfer function and then withdrawing those rands into your local bank account, rather than making a direct withdrawal from your offshore accounts to your local South African bank accounts, as banks are notorious for charging hefty fees for their international SWIFT payments. Buying and selling shares on both your EasyEquities UK and Europe accounts are very similar to your other accounts. You simply click on the share, enter the amount in either pounds or euro that you want to invest, or the number of shares that you want to buy, check the investment costs to make sure you're happy with everything, and then either buy immediately as a market order or set a limit order if you want to buy at a specific price. Selling shares is basically just the opposite, so it is really simple and easy to use. In terms of the trading hours, the markets for both the EasyEquities UK and EasyEquities European accounts are open between 9:15 and 5:10 South African time, which is very convenient as it is very similar to our local JSE market hours. These markets are obviously closed on British and European holidays, but if you miss the market open time, you can still place a buy instruction that will be executed once the markets reopen again. Alright, so now let's look at the fees that you can expect to pay for each account. For the EasyEquities UK account, you will pay 1.22% in transaction fees when buying shares and 0.64% when selling shares. And for the EasyEquities Euro account, you will pay 1.79% in transaction fees when buying shares and also 0.64% when selling shares. There are no platform fees, so you will only pay these fees each time that you make a transaction. Then if you use the EasyFX transfer function, you will pay a 0.58% transaction fee when you convert your rands to either euro or pounds, and also vice versa. And EasyEquities also charges a spread fee of 1.7% on both of these accounts. The transaction fees on these accounts are a bit higher than the EasyEquities US and Australian accounts, mainly because of the UK and Irish stamp duty fees, which are charged in order to give us the fractional security rights over the UK and Irish securities, which basically means that we can buy fractions of a share instead of having to save up a ton of money to buy whole shares. Still, I believe that these fees are fair and reasonable when compared to other offshore investment brokerage platforms. Now, as I mentioned in my EasyEquities review video, which, by the way, If you haven't checked that out yet, then make sure you do. EasyEquities has revolutionized and continues to disrupt the South African investment industry by making investing easy, fun and accessible to all the Joes and Janes on the street. By adding the UK and European offshore accounts, they have once again proven that their innovation just simply has no limits. And together with all of their other products like the US, Australian and South African investment accounts, their tax-free savings account, retirement annuity and preservation fund offerings, and their Easy Property and Easy Crypto platforms, they are literally thinking of every single way to make it possible for every single South African to build generational wealth. Once again, Charles Savage and the EasyEquities team, I commend you for the excellent work that you guys are doing. So yeah, if you haven't yet opened an EasyEquities account, then make sure to click on the link down in the description for a free 50 Rand cash voucher just to kickstart your investment journey. But remember, you need to register an account, FICA verify your identity, deposit funds and make your first investment in order to qualify for the 50 Rand voucher. And if you are not really sure on how to do all of this, then make sure to watch this video where I will hold your hand and take you step by step through the process. Thanks for watching guys. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. Have a lekker day. Cheers.